Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best Elf Dewy Setting Spray is probably one of the most sought-after products in the beauty community right now, promising a radiant, hydrated finish that lasts all day, and today we're diving deep to see if it truly lives up to the hype and delivers that coveted dewy glow without feeling heavy or sticky, making it a potential holy grail for anyone looking to enhance their makeup's longevity and overall appearance. Number 5. Badescu Facial Spray with Aloe, Herbs, and Rose Water. Introducing a facial spray designed for all skin types. Experience the refreshing blend of aloe, herbs, and rose water. Infused with botanical extracts, this mist works to hydrate and revitalize your complexion. It leaves your skin feeling refreshed and balanced. Whether your skin is dry, oily, or combination, this versatile spray is your perfect companion. It helps to clarify and enhance your natural glow. Use it anytime, anywhere for an instant boost of hydration. It's the perfect way to refresh your face throughout the day. Enjoy the calming sensation as it mists onto your skin. It's formulated to soothe and rejuvenate, leaving you with a healthy-looking complexion. Discover the difference this revitalizing mist can make. It helps to clarify your skin, revealing a more radiant and youthful appearance. What we like? This facial spray is packed with aloe, herbs, and rose water to hydrate and refresh your skin. It also helps to clarify your complexion. If you're looking for a gentle, multitasking mist to use throughout the day, this is a great choice. What people say? It's incredibly refreshing and gives my skin an instant boost of hydration. The mist is ultralight and fine, giving my skin a refreshing burst of hydration without feeling heavy or greasy. I've noticed my makeup looks fresher throughout the day when I use this as a setting spray. It is very lightweight. Number 4. Wet n Wild MegaGlo Highlighting Powder Warm Gold. Discover the secret to a radiant complexion. This illuminating powder enhances your natural beauty with a luminous finish. Experience the warm, golden hue that complements any skin tone. It adds a touch of sun-kissed brilliance to your look. Achieve a flawless application with its silky smooth texture. It blends seamlessly for a natural, lit-from-within glow. Customize your highlight from a subtle sheen to an intense glow. This versatile formula allows you to build your desired radiance. Enjoy a luminous finish that lasts all day. Its finely milled particles ensure a comfortable wear without compromising on shine. Elevate your makeup routine with this essential highlighting powder. It's the perfect final step for a dazzling appearance. What we like? This highlighting powder delivers a warm, golden glow that catches the light beautifully. Its smooth texture makes it easy to apply and blend. If you love a radiant, sun-kissed look and want a product that can be used on your face and body, this is the one for you. What people say? It gives a really nice dewy finish. It makes my makeup last all day. It feels lightweight on the skin. Number 3. Glow Recipe Watermelon Niacinamide Dew Drops. Experience the ultimate hydration with our revolutionary serum. It's designed to give your skin a plump, dewy finish. Infused with hyaluronic acid, this serum deeply moisturizes your skin. Achieve a radiant complexion that looks and feels healthy. Harnessing the benefits of niacinamide, it works to refine your skin's texture. Enjoy smoother, more even-toned skin with every use. Use it as a primer to create a smooth canvas for makeup. It helps your foundation glide on effortlessly and last longer. Want an instant glow? This product doubles as a liquid highlighter. Just a touch adds a luminous sheen to your high points. Embrace the best of Korean beauty with this innovative formula. It delivers visible results for a truly revitalized appearance. What we like? Achieve that coveted dewy, glass skin with this serum. It's formulated with niacinamide and hyaluronic acid to hydrate and plump your complexion. If you desire a radiant, moisturized glow and want to improve your skin's texture, this is an excellent option. What people say? This setting spray leaves my skin looking dewy and hydrated. It helps my makeup last all day without looking cakey. The fine mist evenly distributes the product for a natural finish. Number 2. TIRTIR Mask Fit Makeup Fixer. Discover the ultimate solution for long-lasting makeup. Our innovative fixer ensures your look stays flawless all day. Experience makeup that stays put, no matter what. It resists transfer, keeping your clothes and masks clean. Enjoy a comfortable, barely there feel. This spray won't weigh down your skin or leave a greasy residue. Achieve a perfect finish that lasts. It sets your makeup beautifully, ensuring it looks fresh for hours. Feel confident with makeup that endures. This fixer provides reliable hold for any occasion. Get the TIRTIR Mask Fit Makeup Fixer today and elevate your makeup routine. It's your secret to a perfect, long-lasting finish. What we like. This makeup fixer ensures your makeup stays put for up to 24 hours without feeling heavy or greasy. It creates a flawless finish that lasts. If you need your makeup to withstand long days and resist transferring, this is your go-to setting spray. What people say. It gives a dewy glow and makes makeup last all day. This setting spray helps my makeup stay put and gives a nice, hydrated finish without feeling sticky. I love how it melts my powders into the skin for a natural, non-cakey look. Number 1. Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Introducing the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Achieve a flawless, natural radiant finish that lasts all day. Its microfine mist ensures an even application without disturbing your makeup. Enjoy a weightless feel that keeps you looking fresh. Say goodbye to caking and fading. This setting spray helps your makeup stay put, increasing the wear of your foundation. Get a beautiful, radiant finish that enhances your natural glow. It's the perfect final step for a polished look. Keep your makeup looking freshly applied for hours. It effectively resists caking and fading, ensuring a smooth appearance. Whether you're heading to work or a night out, this mist ensures your makeup endures. Enjoy confidence with makeup that lasts. What we like. Experience a natural, radiant finish with this microfine setting mist. It effectively prevents makeup from caking or fading, extending its wear. If you want your foundation to look fresh all day and prefer a lightweight, undetectable mist, this product is ideal. What people say. It works extremely well and has an amazing mist when you spray it. It dries quickly, goes on light and is long-lasting. Makeup stays on and skin feels smooth, not sticky after use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.